Welcome to another update of the wind turbine build. Today we are making the coils. The coils look like this. They have about 700 turns each, made with 30 AWG copper wire. Now, winding 700 turns would have been a challenge if not for 3D printing. So we have here a 3D printed jig with markings on the end so that I know when to stop winding. And I also have notches where I have put capped on tape. So after the winding is done, I would basically roll over the tape and make sure it doesn't unfurl. So I have a handle here on which I can wind the wire, and also I have a pit that is attached to the jig for placing into a drilling machine, which would make winding a lot more convenient. And this is the reason why I'm wearing this glove, so that I don't get cut. And I would just keep doing that until I would get 700 turns. So these coils would be fashioned into the stator, and I would have six coils in 3 phases. So this is going to be a 3-phase generator. Stay tuned for my next video where I'll be explaining how the generator itself works, how the axial flux generator works, and how it will be coupled to the wind turbine itself. Until next time, this is me, Vijay, signing out.